Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, market makers. Good morning, Legacy, and good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. We're going to try doing what we do best. We're going to try printing some smonnies this morning. Hopefully, you had a solid day, and you're so far having a solid week this week with us. One thing I will say that I'm excited about is today's the last day to trade for the month of May. With that being said, we're waiting for our moves. We're going to be dialed. And we're going to be patiently waiting so we can execute. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, sir. Hopefully you're having a good old Friday morning. You know it's full port Fridays. And we're going to get it today. What's up, Rob? Good morning, brother. And I guess I'll take a pay on this morning's stream as well. But I'll wait till 9:30, 9:35 to keep me out from trading the markets. I'll request a little payout, a $2,500 payout from Tradeify. Oh, Niner, I'm sorry to hear that, fam. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. Hopefully they didn't take anything. But that sucks, bro. Sorry to hear that. Listen, disruption always follows your intentions. So you've been intending to be a better trader. You've been intending to be a better person. When that happens, other things, disruptions will happen to you to kind of keep you off your game or try getting you off your game. But just know when a disruption comes, it's so that way it will distract you. Keep doing what you're doing because you're doing what you're supposed to do. How much do you have to get? How much do you have to get to your account to make 2,500? $5 grand. $5 grand. You gotta put $5 grand in a funded with Tradeify to take a $2,500 payout. Because you can take up to 50% on a 50K select account, up to $3,000, so $6 grand. I would need to put $6 grand, another $1,000 in if I wanted to take out 3,000. I'm currently sitting at $5 grand on one of my funded, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna pull some money out today to let you guys know it's real. Because I was honestly debating. I was honestly debating if I were to just keep stacking the account or do I pay myself. And I'm one of those people that I enjoy stacking accounts, but I also like taking my payouts also. So I was torn. Like, do I try putting more in to get to that $6 grand and take a 3K payout? Or do I just take the $2,500, which will still leave me $2,500 of buffer in my account? I'm like, you know, that's more than enough because I could literally base hit it, right? Worst case scenario right now. I take this $2,500 payout and I base hit it $150 a day for 5 days. I can take a $1,500 payout just by doing that. So am I really losing? No. So that's why I told myself we're going to pay ourselves. Last Friday, I know we didn't stream. I was at my daughter's graduation. I took a payout last Friday as well. So your boy ain't complaining. Your boy is not complaining. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, V's iPhone. What's up, Vatone?
What's up?
Another day in paradise, brother. How you doing this morning?
Man, I'm ready to stack some paper today.
Hey, we're gonna get it, bro. We're gonna get it.
Oh yeah.
Slowly but surely, we're base hitting, getting the results. That's it.
Oh yeah. I look for us. I'm looking right now. We're gonna take out that high, that previous day from yesterday. 2 days ago?
Okay.
And dump.
Hey, what? From your lips to God's ears, Vatone. We ain't complaining. We are not complaining. We have news at 9:45 today. News at 9:45 today as well. So keep that in mind, folks. Don't be trying to risk it for the biscuits. Friday. I know we call Fridays full port Fridays, but we ain't full port. We're gonna be dialed in. On stream payout. Curious, yes sir. I'm gonna be requesting a $2,500 payout from Tradeify live with you guys. Actually, let me see what's visible because I may even share my screen. Yeah, I'll probably actually share my whole screen when I do it too, just to show you guys what it looks like when you take a payout. Just so that way you guys can understand and see what it is. So that way you're geared up and ready for your payout if you trade with Tradeify. I actually like that. So let me come over to my OBS and get this set up for y'all. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you guys. We got 3 minutes for market open. Let me give you where the VWAP, everything like that is, and then I'll set that stuff up for the payout today. Alrighty, 21 EMA sitting at 30,345. 30,345 for the 21 EMA. That VWAP, the VWAP is sitting at 309. 309 on the 2-minute Nasdaq futures chart. The close from yesterday, 313. 30,313 was the close from yesterday. So at this point, right, we pumped yesterday. If we didn't get off the stream yesterday morning at 11, man, could we have printed some more freaking money? Just saying. But it is what it is. We're going to still execute today. We're going to stay dialed and get the results once again today. We got 2 minutes for market open here. Let me set up my OBS as well. Max screen capture. This is going to... Let's see, where's it at? Window capture, there we go. What's up, BP? Good morning, bro. Hopefully you're doing well today.
Yeah.
Oh, good morning, Steve. How you doing, brother?
I'm all
Man, I
right.
got the whole gang in here now. I feel honored. Your boy is feeling honored now. Market's open. Market is officially open. I'm just getting myself together so I could show you guys what a payout request looks like on Tradeify.
Well, I'm just looking at the Dow just dumping. Wow. You get to NQ land since that's where you like to walk.
Thank you, BP. BP's going to be busy today, but he jumped in, give us some insight. I hope you guys absolutely bank today. We are kind of stuck in a range between manipulation. Basically, once we break above or below that, that's when the real move's going to happen. That's from Captain BP right there. Enjoy your day, bro. Let me actually do this request. Oh, that's.
I like that. That's neat. Thank you. Thank you.
Alrighty, so one of my accounts, funded accounts, is able to withdraw 2,500.0230, and we're going to do that right now. This is Tradeify's dashboard, so we're going to select, come over here, 2,502. Give me my 30 cents as well. You know what I'm saying? Give me my 30 cents. Request payout. Yeah, perfect. Confirm. And bam, just like that, we're done.
Now you're going to time it? It's got to be 30 minutes.
It's not going to be 30 minutes, sadly. It's not going to be 30 minutes. But it still will be fast. It will be fast. And that's how quick and easy it is to take a payout with Tradeify. Doesn't take much. And yeah, another payout taken live on the tube and with the market makers here.
Mm-hmm. Hey, next week I'm gonna be like my family's on vacation, so I'm gonna check in. But some days I'll be like off grid. So
yeah, you're good, man. I know if you're not here, you're doing something with the fam.
That's it.
Or you're getting your eyes checked. One of the two. One of the two.
Yeah, and they say I still could see, so that's good.
We'll take it. Yeah, curious. Definitely, bro. Honestly, it does not take much to start when you're trading with prop firms. And prop firms are the hack for trading. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm not laughing at you either, Rob. Sorry about that. I think we all are sometimes blind. Let me get some yellow lines on the chart. Today is a risk-free day.
Yesterday they tried that thing. They tried to give me new frames because I wanted to use my old ones, and it's just like it's like insane. You know, I want to be the guy that like sells eyeglass frames that cost like $2 to make, and $300.
Yeah, it's crazy. My oldest, he wears glasses, and I'm like, bro, this is robbery. But we always get ours for him from Sam's, from the optical place in there, because they have a really good warranty. So if he breaks it, we get a brand new one for free, pretty much.
It's like I'm getting mine like online, so I'm getting like titanium frames and stuff.
Nice.
And it just like just to get everything that I want, like the max, everything is like cheaper than the frames at the store because it's like they're just like marking that shit up so much. Like,
yeah. No, I feel that. Listen, back in the day, people could live off of working like a retail job. And like buy a house, everything like that. Nowadays, that ain't happening the same way. So let's see what we get here.
Yeah, we hit an all-time high again just now, right? 426.
We did hit a new all-time high, which is wild to me.
I've been watching these things. I've seen it. I've seen exactly what Uncle BP was saying. I mean, the master, the colonel.
The colonel.
And this stuff makes me nervous because whenever it's bouncing along at the top. Oh, and while we're waiting, did you see, if you look at your charts, if you look at the candle like right at 754.56,
Mm-hmm.
Look at that window maker, man. It was just like it shot a wick that like blew the bottom out.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. That
I was
squeezed a lot of people.
I was on. I wasn't trading, but I was just like looking at the market and I saw that and it was like, whoop.
This is
So
looking like a
I mean
bull
that's
flag here. Looking like a bull flag.
looking like a bull flag. But yeah, that's like what scares you is when that's just like the market's not even open and that happens. That's kind of like whoa.
Yeah.
Come on, Duane.
Yeah.
That's
Gotta be careful, guys, because we don't have any targets above. So just be cautious.
Yeah.
Well, listen, my main target is here, man, because you're on. So it's like I was just hoping to hear your voice. So
Yeah, man, I was on yesterday.
I know I heard you yesterday. I didn't like reach out, but it's good to hear your voice.
Yeah, man, I missed you guys.
He actually, I gotta brag on him. He actually like checked in on me. There's one time he was on. He's like, "Hey man," he like sent me a message. That was when I was camping.
Okay. Right
I
now,
mean,
just waiting to get to 9:45. We got news today at 9:45 as well. Keep that in mind, folks.
Yeah, but the crew is all here, man. This is gonna be a magical day.
Oh, it's always magical. It's always
listen,
magical
little
because I
brother.
get a print with you guys.
I'm speaking now.
Oh, all right. I'm gonna mute Steve. So I'm gonna put Steve in timeout, telling me he's speaking now. That job, turkey. Like, who he think he is? That's a founder right there. That's a founder. What's up, Jose? How you doing this morning, bro?
Yeah, Carmona.
I'm ready. I'm ready to
We
trade.
doing good. We live and in color.
Yes, sir. I do like this chair. I'm surprised I never really used it before because it keeps me where I can't like lean back and relax. Like, keeps me dialed in, locked in here. I feel like we're going to keep pushing here, but I can't jump in until after 9:45. I just took a $2,500 payout from Tradeify. Last week I took a payout from them as well. So
That's what I'm talking about.
we'll take it.
Big Daddy Bucks over here.
Not Big Daddy Bucks. Like June. Listen, full transparency, I did not hit my goal this month in the month of May. I did not hit my goal, my largest payout ever that I was shooting for.
Yeah, but did you make money?
Steve, yes,
Were
I
you
made.
consistent? Were you
I did make money. Yes, Steve, you're correct. But I'm trying to be transparent with the chat and everybody on YouTube right now. Okay.
Look, I mean, if you're going for your best ever, you got to give yourself a little bit of, you know what I mean? It's like, you know, it's not like your goal was just to be green. You're going for the best PR ever, and you were saving that for next month so you could brag that when you're in Portugal, you did it, and that's why I know what's up.
That's why now I really want to get it done in June because I'm shooting for a 40K payout from prop firms, and I messed up this month. I was stacking on like 15 PA accounts from Apex, but I started over trading after the streams, and I ended up blowing most of them.
Wait,
Well-
I'm sorry. I think there was the internet like glitch. Did I hear something about trading and then the stream? What was that word in between?
I said I would take extra trades after the stream,
Oh,
and that's
okay.
how I messed up.
I just choked on my gum and I wasn't chewing any.
What you going to spend that change on? Nothing. It'll be sitting in the bank account, chilling.
How about that gold jacket if it ever comes up at Burlington?
If that gold jacket does come back, I gotta get it because I did go back and find it the last time it wasn't there. Oh.
Yeah, because it's in my closet.
It's in your closet. Good morning, everybody on the YouTube streams. Welcome. If you're on the vertical or the horizontal, make sure you're hitting that like button for me. We do these streams Monday through Friday, every single morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. We start, and we execute live trades with you guys. You hear the vibes, you hear us talking, and the voices you're hearing, those are the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society, my private trading community which is free to join. If you want to join us for free, it's in the description of both streams. It's down, the links in there, so check us out. We'd love to have you become part of the family. And tonight we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. If I actually when I get that 40K payout, when I get 40 grand in a month from trading prop firms, I'll probably, I don't even know what I would do with it. Like, that's like I could get me a new caddy with 40 grand extra. Just saying. I want my new caddy. Yeah, I'm sure my girl will like the new caddy too. Because once I hit the 40 grand for that first month, the very next month, I'll probably double it. That's just how my mind works. It's like, okay, you prove to yourself you can do it. Now that's your base. You know what I'm saying? Let's grow from it.
Every time I see a caddy, a brand new caddy on the road, I'm like, is that Duane?
Well, you're going to be sitting right there next to me, fam. You're going to be sitting right there next to me, your caddy. It's okay.
Here.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody winning. That's it. Everybody's winning. What's up, Yaz? Good morning. Figured you'd be making more than 40K with all those accounts. Yes and no, right? Because the whole thing is, when you're making it, I'm rotating accounts, so I'm not taking payouts on each account every single week. You know what I'm saying? Duane, have you tried to trade gold? No, I have not, yes. I stick to the Nasdaq because I know how it likes to move when we're not just sitting at all-time highs every freaking day. But no, I do not trade gold. I stick to the Nasdaq futures. You got the 2K. Good job, bro. Congratulations if you're saying you got a 2K payout. I took a 2K payout today also. I took a $2,500 payout and 30 cents. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget my 30 cents now. Put some respect on it. Congrats. Yes. If you're in the community, bro, post it in the community discussion so everybody in the community can praise you, uplift you, and congratulate you on that achievement, because that's awesome, bro. Happy for you. Base hits. Yeah. Oh, Yaz is talking dirty in the chat this morning. Yaz, you better stop. You're getting me excited. Yeah, Niner, take your time, bro. Hopefully I see you tonight. So, bro. It happens, fam. Sorry to hear what you're going through, for real. Okay, if you're not in the community, join the community for free, and once you get in there, post in the community discussion your payout. It'll motivate other members as well. I'm just sitting back, chillaxing, waiting here because honestly, until 9:46, we got news at 9:45. So news in about 30 seconds now. News in 30 seconds. The PMI at 9:45 a day. And after that, we'll start trying to execute some trades. I'm chilling. I looked at my stats for this month, and they weren't too shabby. Because in the beginning of the month, I was focused just on trading Apex because I was trading multiple fundeds with them. But I was pushing too much. So then I went back to the basics, rotating with Tradeify and Lucid, and bam, getting the results I wanted. You know what I'm saying? And there goes that bull flag once again. And there's 9:45 also. Let's see what we get here now. I'll be tempted to see, because the range just completed as well. Let me give you the low of that range and the high, so you know where we're at. The low of the range, 364.75, 364.75. The high of the range, 472 right now, 7.5. Over 100-point range right now, which ain't too shabby. Come on, 946, so this range could be completed. All right, there you go. That range is fully completed now. We have no more news. No more news. Let me just reconfirm that before no, yep, so no more news. No more news for us, so we're good. Are we getting ready to break out of this range here?
I want to see what that 10 o'clock candle does.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for some solid flags with some momentum. Good morning, Travis. Hopefully you're doing well this morning. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. You can do it. Show us what you're trying to do. The only thing about this chair, since my other chair broke, maybe I gotta drop this down just a little bit. Maybe right there. I'm waiting for, all right, we just broke out the 15-minute range right there. Just pulled right back into it as well. Now I'm waiting to see if we're getting ready to expand or come back down. We're at new all-time highs once again. Just straight craziness. I closed at 230, got $80 on that one. Okay, whatever. Let's rotate. So I needed this account. How much I need in this one? We can probably do that today. All right, we got a pivot point above us, 513.25, 513.25 for a pivot up there. I would like to see a nice little flag form with some momentum to take us higher. Let's see if the high of this range holds so we don't drop below it. Would love to see another flaggy flag. Curious. I was just making sure my mouse was working on that one. You know what I'm saying? Just making sure my mouse was working. But yes, once you start trading, you'll understand money is not real anymore. Because the way you were told you have to earn your money doesn't compute anymore. Because how is it I just made $80 in like 2 seconds and people are working 9 to 5 jobs, maybe getting $80 for like 5-6 hours or 4 hours, however long. I would love to see a freaking flag. Let's see if we build us a little bull flag up here. Now, this thing's going to probably just take us up to that 500 level. Watching my Renkos right now like a hawk. Let me kill the get ready to kill this. I tried taking some structure of the flag there. Let's see if it works out. I'll get ready to close this. I killed that. I tried taking a little riskier trade there. I was trying to get the structure. We're gonna keep pushing to at least that 500 level. I want to see how we react on that 500, and then we'll go from there. Facts, bro. I learned trial by fire. It's either you're gonna figure it out or you not. Once we clear that 500 level, I'm gonna target that pivot point because we do have a pivot up there at 513.25. But try and get through this 500 level. We get through this 500. We're making new all-time highs every day right now, I feel. Straight craziness. Come on, give us that 500 already. So I can get ready to prepare for another trade. Yeah, I killed that one as well. That's 2 bad trades a day. Hey, I did take a $2,500 payout. We'll take that. I'm rushing right now. I don't know why I'm even rushing. I'll probably go back to those accounts, but we'll see.
Sit on your hands, bro.
I know. We got 5 more minutes till 10-2. Oh, we did. I didn't see that. We did tap that pivot on my trading view, which I was trying to target. Didn't see we tapped it. Now it's somewhat making sense. Yeah, I'm holding and waiting. I'm not gonna get chopped trying to trade this right now. I will probably go back and clean up one of those accounts, or I may honestly just let them rest for today because no reason to risk it. This is going to be our bull flag. If we get to that top yellow line with some momentum and follow through, I'll probably take it. But we got to have the full momentum. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in these markets today. Come up to my yellow line. That pivot, man. We got punched to this pivot. I don't even know why I took a trade right here, but tap that pivot once again. I close. We keep hitting this pivot and we keep rejecting on it. So no thank you. 3 times, same result 3 times. So I'm waiting. We got to pop above that there we go. Oh God. We're above the pivot. New all-time highs once again. As long as we hold the 517.33 level, I'll keep this trade open. If not, I'll kill it. And that, where we're currently sitting at 526, that was my first target here. Want to see if we expand off of this now. We're still above that 326 level, which I kind of want to see us like start to expand off of this. But we got a lot of like buoyancy up here. As long as the bulls hold this 517, no, bear stepping in. Oh, well. I may stop trading for today. Let me see one account. That one, which one's that? 52. Let's I'm willing to risk one more trade on this account, but I'm gonna play this one tight. How is that? Oh, it hasn't updated yet. That don't look right. Yeah, I'm not touching this around this pivot. I gotta get my pivots lined up again because they have not been. Where's this at now? Yeah, this one's at 513.50. That's at 517. We're in the neighborhood, but we're not where I want to be. How we doing, fam? How we doing? Are we winning? Are we losing? Right now, I'm red in 3 accounts. Took a payout on 1 account. Just patiently waiting at this point for a move. I want to see an A++ up as well. Because when we're at all-time highs, it gets pretty... Okay, what is this? Wait, what? Hold on, folks. Gotta call one of my managers. Yes, sir. Everything good? Yeah, I just saw that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So he never put it in the other day. Yeah, I'll hit you. I'll be off this stream at 11. Yeah, I'm on stream. I was just, when you called, I thought it was like a 911. All right, I'll hit you back. All right, dude. Well, that was one of my managers for one of my businesses, and we rolled. Little bear flag right there. Who knows what's going to happen now? Let's see if we get through that 21 EMA. That 21 EMA is sitting right at 468.50, 468.50. Let's see if we get like a nice little healthy pullback. Congratulations on locking your profit in. I took a payout this morning. $2,500 payout from Tradeify. And now we're ready. But one of my officers moved one of our patrol cars that's in a whole different city without letting anybody know. So he was calling me because he sees the car driving. He's like, asked me, am I over there? All right, through that 21 EMA. All right, this account's back to green. We'll take that. Not going to take another trade on that one. We'll clean this one up now. Levi Internet gives out, yeah, I have to do a 5 trades a day. What could happen? Be careful if your internet's messing up, bro. That sounded dangerous. You have to do 10 trades a day? Ugh. I wouldn't recommend 10 trades a day. We're back above the high of the 15-minute range. Back above that 21 EMA as well. Let's see what we get here. Are we going to get like another bear flag down here? But I want to break below that 21 if we are. Just to play a little bit safer. I want to play a little bit safer here. Make sure you're hitting that like button on the streams for me, folks. It helps YouTube push these streams out to people just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win the markets each and every day. We do this stream every morning, Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. And 12 hours later, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we go live once again for the Traders Hangout, where we're talking trade and talking life and everything in between. So make sure you tune in tonight. If you're not busy, we're going to be vibing up, laughing, joking, talking everything in life and trading. So hopefully I get to see you guys tonight as well. It's because don't have rules that you, yeah, well, my rules are all personal rules. It's not a prop firm rule or anything like that, because I learned what works for me and I stick to it, because trading's personal. So if you're trying to figure out rules for yourself, see what you like, see what keeps you dialed, right? That's why I wait till 9:45 to execute my first trade, because I looked at my analytics, which is really cool to look at. And I saw, yes, I make money before 9:45, but I also lose more money before 9:45 also. So that's why I just stay completely out of it, because we want the results at the end of the day. Are we getting ready to get below this 21 EMA? Let's see if we get through this EMA with some follow through here. This thing looks like it wants to go down, but look at that previous candle wick. Come on down to my yellow line. We had to break through my yellow line with follow through for me to be able to enter. Come on, Betsy. Let me lock that in right there. Green 30 on this account. We'll gladly take that. Gladly. We had that follow through the yellow line. That's why I started jumping in. I use Ninja Trader for my live brokerage account. But I also trade with prop firms. I trade with Tradeify, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader, and Apex. What's this? Is this thing going to keep on rotating down? And my music stopped.
It's just
Oh, how I just scratched. That's crazy. That's crazy. How I just scratched right there. Let me change our vibe up for the rest of the stream. Let's see. Tap in the middle of that 15-minute range. What's up, weekend? It has been a minute, brother. I think since I just scratched on that last one, This thing looks like it wants to rotate probably all the way down to that VWAP at this point. VWAP's on the 2-minute chart here is 383.75, 383.75 there. I'm probably not going to trade this account again. All right, we just broke through the middle of the 15-minute range. Clean that up a little bit. Let's see if we build us a little bear flag right here. I will not be complaining about that. What's the first thing to do to... honestly, guys, I would just do a prop account, bro. If you're trying to learn how to trade, everything like that, just do a prop account. Do not risk your own personal capital trying to learn how to trade, because you will end up losing it. Because the pressure, the psychology, if you haven't mastered it yet, I don't recommend trying to trade a live brokerage account. So get an account like with Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, or Apex, and get your feet wet that way. Let's see. I'm waiting. We may build us a little bear flag. If we do, I'm all for it. How do you use certify? Yeah, that VWAP looks like it wants to get touched. But I gotta be super sharp right here. I gotta be super sharp. Wait for the next momentum move on the Rincos. We got 30 seconds left on this candle. So Tradeify connects to NinjaTrader. So if you do a Tradeify account, you'll get Tradeivate from Tradeify, and all that plugs into NinjaTrader. Are we gonna get a bear flag? We're real close to the middle of this 15-minute range as well. We did not touch that VWAP. We did not go down and touch that VWAP yet. We maybe just be building structure for a bear flag, so I'm holding and waiting. I already cleaned up this account, $400, $400 or $500. We're going to see if I can clean up some more here. But I want to see a A++ setup. Good morning, everybody. If you're new here, welcome to the stream. Make sure you're hitting that like button, because we simply print each and every day, believe it or not. I took a payout this morning from Tradeify, another $2,500 payout from them. Did that live with you guys. Why do I take payouts live? Because I feel like you guys have seen so much fugaziness in the trading space on social media, on YouTube, everything like that. So I take my payouts live so you know it's real. You see me log in, type in how much I'm taking out, everything like that. So that way you guys see what you have to do for your payout, and you see it's actually real. All right, selling pressure trying to step in here. Let's see what we get. We're above this middle of the 15-minute range. All right, now we're below. We got that 21 EMA up there. What's that bouncing off of? Let's see if we get the flush here. Take me down to that VWAP, baby. Take me down to that VWAP. Not liking that reaction right there. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Threw that VWAP and some. There we go. Clean that account up. Put it in green as well. We'll definitely take that. Let's see what the chat's talking about. I don't think you should have to prove you made a bunch of money trading. That's how you get bad things too, but no. What's up, Brian? Good morning, bro. Ryan, so I show my payouts to show you guys two things. One, that I'm actually taking consistent payouts. And two, to show you that you can do it as well, right? Because if you haven't already taken a payout, man, I should have stayed. I should have stayed, boys. But hey, I'm green on all my accounts again. I was red. So I'm probably honestly just gonna lick my wounds since I'm fully green. Another green day. All green days this week. It's like, do I even risk my luck at this point? I was able to clean up like over two grand. So I'm happy about that. Ryan, I show lifestyle as well on this channel. If you go to the channel, you'll see trips, everything like that I do. My next big trip, I will be in Europe for 3 weeks, streaming live with you guys, everything like that also. Are we going to retest the low of this 15-minute range, or are we going to keep on dumping? I would expect us to retest the low of the 15-minute range before we keep expanding out. BP, we're green, bro. We're green. I was red, but we're green now. I cleaned it up. I'm like, the cap's not here. I gotta clean this up. The manipulation is real today. Look at that wick. Like, we've had some pretty crazy wicks today. That one included. Yeah, I'm honestly probably just going to sit on the sidelines at this point. No reason to risk it on Friday. Go into the weekend completely green for the week. And we keep it moving. I'm thinking about having another traders meetup in Texas, possibly sometime in June. We got a lot of people in Texas, in the community, and on YouTube. So we're looking at having a traders meetup in Texas once again. Not sure if we're going to do Dallas or Houston or Fort Worth. We're going to see. But I want to find an area that everyone can get to easily for the meetup. I will keep you guys posted on that. Let's see if Tradeify approved that payout yet. Hey, we sent your money. Please check your Rise account. Hot diggity freaking dog, boys. Hot diggity freaking dog. And whoever's like, oh, no, he didn't. There you go. We sent your money to your Rise account right there. Check that. Ka-chow. I'll show y'all over here as well. There you go. We sent your money to your Rise account. $2,500 right there. We will gladly take another one. Appreciate it. So that also means technically I could trade that account since they sent the money already to the Rise account, but I'm not going to. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to wait to trade that account. I just took that payout come Monday because Monday is a new month, right? So we have another opportunity to make the most we've ever made, to get funded for the first time for some of y'all, to pass that eval. You know what I'm saying? You have another opportunity for the month of June to execute and hit your goals. I don't know what your goals are, but you can achieve it. Trust me. Trust me. I haven't got an email from Rise yet, though. Well, I'll just log into my Rise and see if it's there yet. Yep, they're nice. You know what I'm saying? Those early payout requests, when they're fast like that, it's like, yeah, hot diggity dog. It is in the account. So with Tradeify, they use Rise for their payouts. So you log in to your Rise account when they tell you and you get the notification that they sent the money to your Rise account. You shoot over there and then you'll have, it's like a little wallet. So right now I could type in the amount I want pulling out of my wallet. Confirm. Password. I'm processing it right now, so it'll go right into my bank account. So you can't get mad at that. You know, it's circling. Let me see. It's circling. Oh, that glare, actually. Okay, it doesn't want to show the screen. Well, withdrawal sent. That's what it just said. Withdrawal sent on the Rise. Once you transfer it from your Rise, it normally will take like maybe like 5-6 minutes for it to be in the account, in your bank account. But hey, it's a Good Friday. I paid myself some change a day just to say I took a payout, because I take payouts for y'all. I don't even take them for myself anymore. I take them for y'all so you know this is real here. Good morning, everybody on the YouTube streams, on the vertical and horizontal. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you're hitting that freaking like button. Your boy is probably done executing trades for the day because honestly, I was red, turned it back to green, and I'm not trying to give anything back today. I can see how that's addicting. Put it this way, you can make money from clicking a freaking button, fam. It doesn't get better than that. Monday, we have a new trading month that's starting, and hopefully you guys are dialed and ready to execute. I love trading, boys, because it's one of those things where you don't have to ask somebody or talk to anybody to trade. It's based on your efforts, right? How many things can we do in life that's only based on your own efforts? Like if you're working with a team, a job, whatever, you're working with other people. Where trading, you're working solo. Like it's based on your ability. That's why I love trading. It's not based on what you look like or anything like that, or how long. Like you perfect the skill, and you will be able to provide for yourself for the rest of your life. Like for me personally, I will be trading for the rest of my life. I will be teaching my kids how to freaking trade. Why? It's not that I don't want them working for the family businesses, but for me, they'll get more value, right? They'll get more value at learning a skill where they can produce for themselves each and every day without having to think about it. I'm just saying, folks. I may start preaching here in a minute because, boy, I'm so thankful to have found trading. Because I don't know about you guys. Some of you guys may not know my full story, but maybe I should tell my story. I'm not sure. I haven't told my story in quite a while. How many accounts did you go through? Well, if you go and watch my video that I just posted a day ago on YouTube, how to stop blowing evals and funded accounts, I tell you in that video how many times. So in 5 months, when I first was trying to learn, I'll tell you my full story because I'm done trading. I'm done trading today. I'm not willing to risk it. I will take my little green today. Green is green. And run. So back in 2022, I had extra money laying around from one of my businesses. I threw 10 grand into a live brokerage account with Ninja Trader, and I blew all 10 grand within like 2 weeks. First day I traded, very first day I traded back then in 2022, February actually, I made $2,300. Just close my eyes, clicking the freaking button. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is awesome. So actually I lost 12,000, but 10 grand that I actually put in myself. But lost 10 grand, gave up on trading. I'm like, you know what? Trading's a scam. It doesn't really work. You know what I'm saying? Then in 2024, me and my brother were talking and he was trying to learn how to trade. He's like, yeah, I'm trading with Prop Firm. What's that? He's like, oh, it's where you pay a small fee to get an account, and if you pass it, you're able to activate it and get payouts. Well, how much does that cost? At that time, it's like, oh, 100, 130, something like that. I'm like, oh, for real? Like, that's really good because I just lost 10 grand 2 years ago trading, trying to trade. So I started to learn and build my strategy. It took me 5 months to build my strategy that I use each and every day live with you guys. And in that time, I blew through 100 evals with Apex. I blew through 100 evals with Apex. Mind you, back then they would have the 90% off, everything like that. So you were getting those accounts for like $15 or something like that. So I didn't spend a lot, but I spent a lot on evals back then. But that's how I learned. I spent money on evals, trial by fire each and every day, seeing what worked, seeing what didn't work. And that's what I stuck to. And I was able to hone my strategy and build it to such a way where it prints every single day. We just lost that VWAP again. This is so tempting I want to jump in on, but I'm not going to. I can't. I'm already green for the day. Like my stats. Let's see. I know they would have dropped because of my trade performance today, actually. Clicking the freaking button too much. Let's see here. So, let me refresh this so that way I get the full stats here. So with my trade performance today, I was at 92% win rate. I did have a couple losers. I was just closing. I had 3 losers today. And I would close them out just so that way I wouldn't like mess up the accounts anymore. Well, actually, this hasn't refreshed yet. Okay, so that hasn't updated yet. But why is that? That's weird. But it's saying 86% win rate right now. I was at 92 before I closed a couple trades early. It is what it is. I'm green across the board for today. Yeah, Lion. No reason to risk it. No reason to risk it. Did I not trade a certain account? Let me see something. Because unless this isn't just refreshing yet. Yeah, it's just not okay. It ain't me. Raven, are you a builder, profit taker, or market maker? It's only for those tiers. The training on Tuesday. Yeah, bro. Base hits gets the payouts, bro. That's all I freaking do. But I'm tempted to trade, since I already took that payout, I'm tempted to trade this other funded account here, but I know I shouldn't. But it's looking so good. Like, look at that. So we do have a target down here, down at 310. Consolidating right now. Don't get trapped, Lion. Don't get trapped, bro. Okay, that's a bear flag right there on the 2 minute, but I want to see some more follow through. Come on, give me that flushy flush. I close. I gotta stop. I did not like that feeling right there. I'm done executing trades. Quick 150 back in the funded account. I just took a payout on. But I'm not liking that feeling. No. When I get that feeling, it's a no-go. I was like holding my breath. Like, oh God, oh God. So when you start feeling like that, you gotta stop. Hey, just add $150 to that account though. We'll take that. Oh, and this thing's still falling. Jose, how did you do today? Batone, how you doing today? How we trade today?
I haven't taken the trade.
Okay.
I don't like how it's looking. It's indecisive.
Yeah. This thing's looking heavy, and I'm like, I just don't like how I just fell on that last trade. Because I feel like this is going to come down. I got a target all the way down here at 256.75. 256.75.
Well, look like we're forming the SMT with ES, so it should be pushing back up.
Okay. Well, we'll see. I'm going to have to sit on my hands because I'm so tempted to take another trade, but I don't want to either. I see where we're going to go down to 256.75, but it may just have to go down there without me because not liking the feeling. Enjoy your workout, Rob. Hey, you didn't lose no money, so that's a win, bro. I may actually jump out of here a little bit early so I don't trade. Why's that thing? That makes 0 sense. That hasn't updated yet. Oh, that's why it's not sync. Duh. Sync already try after 10 minutes. So I gotta wait 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to. You're going to the weekend green. Good job, bro. Don't push it. That's already proved that it does not stop you from trading. What? Me shutting my computer and walking away? No, it'll stop me from trading, bro. It'll stop me from trading. I'll tell you that. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern. We're talking trading. We're talking like in everything in between. Hopefully, you guys come back and vibe with us tonight. Yep, what a day to be alive, bro. I feel like a crackhead right now, like itching right now. It's crazy. But I want to freaking trade, but I shut myself off. I cut myself off. Looking like a bear flag trying to print. But we had to clear that previous candle wick for me to want to be interested. But that's not, I'm not trading. I'm just saying if I was trading, that's where I'd be interested if we clear that previous candle wick. That's all that was. Oh, what's this? Watcher. I work off of the 2-minute, the 5-minute, and Renko bars. Honestly, I'm thankful, Lion, with how I traded today because first 3 trades I took today, they were red trades. They were red trades, right? Yeah, I was in drawdown. Like each account, what's that right? No, so 3 accounts. So 2 accounts were down 460 a piece. 1 account was down 1,500. I was able to make all that back and then some, where I'm green for the day. So that's why I'm like, you know what? I gotta quit because I already beat the market with them trying to steal my money a day. I took that money back and I ain't giving it back again. For me, it's easy to stop because I want the results, right? So for me, I want the payouts. I want the consistent payouts. The only way to get the consistent payouts is to master your trading psychology. And that's walking away, not trading anymore. Everything like that. Yeah, don't feel bad about your losses, bro. I almost lost today. Keyword almost.
Well, I think I'm going to call it for today.
Hey, you're a smart man. I think everybody's calling it.
No trade is good.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. Well, y'all have a good weekend, brother.
You as well, man. See you next week, hopefully.
All right, man.
Yes, sir. Yep, that's the advice you gave me. Don't give any money. Yep. You don't give it back, bro. We take from the market. We don't give it back. What's up, sir? Good morning. Let me actually download my payout certificate. Excuse me. Market's trying to like do a little weird pump and I don't even know what it's trying to do. So far for the year, we've done pretty well with Tradeify. Download the certificate. There we go. On your 20-minute, you mean the $20, the builder subscription? Yes. So on the lowest plan for the Legacy Wealth Society, the paid tier, you get access to my full strategy. And we will be having a training this coming Tuesday. So for that builders package, we do 1 training a month for the builders, 1 training a month for all the builders. And if you're on one of the higher tiers, the profit takers or the market makers, you're able to jump in those calls as well. But yes, you get my full strategy for the builders plan for the Legacy Wealth Society for $20. And if someone, I remember people, are you trying? I feel like you're trying to scam me. I'm like, who's trying to scam me at $20 freaking dollars? Like, if you won't invest $20 for a strategy that will freaking print you thousands upon thousands of dollars each and every week, I can't help you. I can't help you. And the only reason why I charge for my strategy It's because members of the Legacy Wealth Society said I can't give it away for free. So, what did I do? I can't do free. So I said $20. Because everybody can figure out how to get $20 to buy something. Listen, I spend $20 on stuff I don't even think about. I'll buy stuff off Amazon for way more than $20 and never return it if it came wrong. Just saying. So that's my way of giving back to you guys. My strategy is available for $20. Like, if you're not willing to invest $20, and it is a subscription, so once you pay that $20, that is, so technically, okay, let me take that back. It's $120 for the year if you just stay on the builder's plan. But you can cancel at any time. It's $20. Do it for a month, learn the strategy, cancel the subscription. You're set. Coming up on 11. At 11, I'm officially going to be getting off here because, yeah, I'm done trading. We came, we conquered, and we executed. I like the way you trade. Well, I appreciate that, bro. I'm glad you like the way I trade. I can do the strategy with TradingView. Yes, you can. But if you're going to be using TradingView to use my strategy, you need to make sure you're on one of the higher paid tiers for TradingView, not with the community, just so that way you can have certain key things that you need for my strategy. That's crazy. That sounds like my girl. My girl got like the black card from Starbucks because how much money she be spending there. It's crazy. I hope you understand what I'm saying, Line. Not trying to steer you in the wrong direction because I use Renko bars. That's the top chart that you guys are seeing. Those are called Renko bars. I use those. Those are my specialty bars for us to be able to read the momentum of the markets. And my strategy is so freaking simple that if you follow it to a T, you will print each and every day. How do I know? Because I got members in the community that print each and every day. Just saying. It ain't rocket science. You got to keep it simple. And that's what I do best. I keep things extremely simple so we can win. Yeah, that's not making any sense. Yeah, it's not showing my green trade, so this thing is definitely lagging. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Make sure, I'm not sure how you guys are, but for me, I used to hate the weekends because we can't trade. But then I realized the weekends are a blessing. It's a time for you to reset, get your mind right so you can come back next week and execute all over again. So I know you guys are going to use this weekend to become better. Check out the video on my channel if you haven't already. It will help you learn how to stop blowing your freaking evals in your funded account. I've gotten great feedback on it. If you like it, if you don't like it, let me know in the comments on that video so I know what you guys like and what you don't like. Ryan, you as well, brother. You as well. I got less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes. I'm jumping off here. I got to go prepare to work out, everything like that. I got to weigh in today. I weighed in 303 today. 303 today. I did not hit that 299, but I did lose the past month 10 more pounds. So that's positive. So as long as I keep doing 8 to 10 pounds a month, oh, your boy is going to look like a different person. So by the time I'm in Portugal, I should be right around not 9. What 9? Jesus. 283. I should be around 283 when I'm in Portugal. End of July for those 3 weeks. So excited about that. Yeah, but good morning. You can take my charger. My bad, bud. I totally forgot. I forgot to charge my kid's iPad. He's like, Daddy, why you forget to charge my iPad? My bad, bro. I'll be down in 2 minutes. I put him down. I forgot to take his iPad out of his room to charge it. Now I feel bad. Horrible. Yeah, get me off of these freaking charts. I got less than a minute. Yeah, I'm gone. Like the wind. Going to the weekend completely green for the week. All green days this week. We'll take that every single day. Well, guys, I will catch y'all tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed. Stay safe. Don't do anything too crazy in these markets. And do not forget, hit that like and subscribe button. And I'm going to catch y'all. Enjoy your weekend, boys. I'll see you guys tonight. Be blessed. Deuces.